Looking to simplify the maintenance of your employee benefits to attract and retain top talent? Paychex can help. Flock Benefits Administration helps make benefits accessible and easy to manage for employees and administrators. Admins can check enrollment status and see how benefits are being used through a convenient benefits dashboard. Employees can manage all their benefit elections, such as health, life, and disability insurance, thanks to Flock's intuitive workflows. Spanish translations, pop-up suggestions, in-app tutorials, and videos help them enroll at their own pace. Then, save time and improve accuracy with automatic carrier connections for employee enrollments and updates. The same easy access and usability that Flock provides for employees and administrators is also available for insurance brokers, with access to all clients from one centralized dashboard. And if you ever have a question, you can count on our support team and your dedicated account manager for a personalized answer. Flock makes your job easier, whether you employ 5 people or 5,000. To learn more about how Flock Benefits Administration by Paychex can help you, contact us today